Hi, this is the Argus 3D P1, and I think I'm done with it. So, today, I'm going to assemble it for you in 10 minutes. Okay. Machined brass bit, springy thing in between, full hard hypodermic tubing with a 2mm OD, 2mm ID bearing. Goes in here. First, Amazon gear. This is what it looked like. Got cut down to be flat and smooth. A drill press, aka lathe. That goes in here with the assistance of gravity, like that. And again, with the assistance of gravity, shaft goes in the middle. Ta-da! Press it all the way through. Oh no! Second bearing. Stop. So the gear is all the way up. Now the hard part. This is the limit switch. It goes in with that red line right in the center, and then that pin lines up with a hole which gets pressed in just like that. Okay. This holds that in, so you don't need anything else. That to dangle through there. So it's coming out. Too far past. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Screws. This is the mirror arm servo. And that is that. This is the part rotation servo, which engages that gear. Goes in like that. Back screw first. There's a reason for that. I will share it with you in a moment. This is the back screw. That one goes all the way in. And then this one gets a tiny little O-ring, which acts as a spring to eliminate backlash in the gear train. You tighten that down just until it impacts, and check for backlash. A little too tight. It's just about right. Okay. That's that. Next, my revised mirror arm with my elliptical light. And I've already put the bearings in there. But they just press in. That goes in there. And this pin goes all the way through. Both bearings. This actually goes in kind of tight because this is wider than this, so you're always preloading your bearings. There we go. All the way in, done. Now you take this pin, shove it in until you can see it in the middle. It's like halfway through there, so you can fit the mirror arm lever on it. Like that. And then you shove the pin in. Locks that in. Okay. Take our little coil of wire here, stick this through the hole. We'll meet up with the wiring harness later. Okay. This part's a lot easier when you actually have the guard still on this lens, so don't take it off, because without the guard you have to push on the edges. Be very careful not to touch the lens. So this mounts on there with just a piece of filament because you can't put screws in here, you'll short things out. So, and this has a little bit of sticky left on the back of it from when you peeled it off of here. That drops in there. Very carefully press this down, plug it in. Like so, and then press him down into the little square that holds him, and he should be perfectly square and centered and ready to go. But we're going to lock him in later with some UV cure, because once you mount the optics you can't use anything super glue related or they'll fog the optics, so keep that in mind. Last, we put our light ring on for viewing the build surface. So that is just snap and snap. And we'll clean up that later, but that needs to, you need the extra wire there so that you aren't concentrating all your bending in one spot. That's the idea anyway. That is that. I will do another video to show you how to mount and align the optics and how to make that permanent. There's a mirror that goes here and a mirror that goes here. Thank you for watching. Check the website if you have any questions before you ask them here, please. Thank you.